Dan Holland here with SolutionToolbox.com. This is our 11th video in our series creating a website start to finish using SiteBuilder. And one of the last things that we need to do for our homepage is just add some text in our footer area. So to do that, I'm going to come up here to Manage Zones and select Manage Custom Zones. And we created a footer zone down here, so I'm going to go ahead and select the HTML link here, which should open up the editor for us. And then this should be pretty easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create just a quick style for our font settings. So I'm going to come in here to my CSS manager and let's scroll down here to the bottom, and we're just going to call this the default text, like so. We'll just call this font family. Set this to Arial. Font size, we'll set this to 12 pixels. And we'll set the color to gray. Alright, copy this, save that. So what I'm going to do is come down here, create a quick div real fast. Just set that in there. So then from here, all I need to do is enter in my text for the footer, which I'm just going to say Modo. And then we're going to say privacy policy, just as it was before. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that. We'll hit save. And let's go ahead and preview this site here and see what the footer looks like. Alright, scroll down. You should see our Modo. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bump that down just a few lines. Go ahead and try that. Bring this back up. And there we go. So that wraps up the footer, and we're all done with the home page here. So the next thing I want to do is I want to work on these content pages up here. Now we can reuse this template, but as I mentioned before, the content is just going to load down in the content area, which is down here. So for the subpages, I don't think we want all the scrollers here. I don't think we want the image rotator. We want to reserve most of the room on our subpages for our content. So what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to modify this layout just a little bit. That way we get more room up here, and then we will go ahead and create the rest of our pages.